from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our upgraded tow mirror. This tow mirror is built for any 2002 through 2008 Dodge Ram 1500, as well as any 2003 through 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500. This tow mirror is designed to be manual folding and manual fold up. It also has the same base plate, 3-pin mounting locations, and plug-and-play connector as your vehicle for easy installation. This tow mirror also features a smaller panoramic mirror and an integrated LED turn signal, along with a larger power-adjusted mirror with power heating. With an overall length of 17 inches, and the mirror itself measuring at 11 inches by 8 inches, it increases your range of view, maximizing your road safety and visibility. This tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.